What you doing, Annalisa? Nice mess. Annalisa, what are you doing? Pulling all the wipes out?
Wipey gone.
Hi.
Yeah, don't take them away from her.
What you doing, Annalisa? Hi. Bye. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where's Annalisa? Where's your peekaboo? Oh, we're washing our face. She's washing her face, Sunny.
Oh, cute. That's my girl.
Yep, she's wiping her face.
Mom, are you saving these bowls? This tote?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yep. Peekaboo. Well, you are a stinker.
Brandon, come eat your food.
What?
She wants what you have.
I'm not one for having.
No, let her. You share your food. Give her one, please.
She ate 3 dinners today. He had none.
Look who's next. She had some ice cream. She had fruit things.
Annalisa, are you a piggy?
She had grapes.
Are you?
She had half a sandwich.
No, you're not.
And don't tell me so. Good grief. Oh, I'm filming this, Croopsack.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, it's going on YouTube everywhere. Nice going. Nice going. Oh, you're a real treat.
Hey, Annalisa, would you like to come pick up your mess?
You know what they say on the bucket list? When you get old, never trust a fart.
I want to see that. Is that a good movie, Dad?
It's great.
But never get the fart. Never get the fart in your face.
No, you don't.
Alrighty then.
And it starts with